Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to get, or how to guess people name on OmeTV. So here I found some of this method and I'm sure you can just use this kind of method here. The very first thing is that user can install specific video chat extension that enhance the OmeTV experience. So how you can get this extension here? So let's just here, right? Here you have to just go to Chrome Web Store, click on it, and once you open it up here, OmeTV, right? So you might get some of the extension here. If you don't get it, that's fine. This kind of extension help filter user based on gender and location, making it easier to connect with similar individual after installing the extension, right? But OmeTV is really good because we don't get this kind of extension here. But this is the one thing, I can change my country to any of the country here. I can change my gender and everything, right? And the second thing is that the guessing trick. Now in this method, one person, for example, I will give that one person name as A, initiate a chat and ask for name while taking a screenshot of the user that interact with. After gathering a few name, A exits the chat, the second person B then start chatting under similar condition. Right, so what you have to do, let me explain you. For example, you select a country here, let's say it's Argentina, right? And here you select the female version and you start chatting with one ID, right? And make sure you start noting the name of and everyone, right? You can just have interaction, you can ask their name and everything. Once you have noted around 30 or 40 names here, you have to go and change your ID. I mean, you have to log out from this account and just go and log in the different account. Make sure you keep the same settings, same country and same gender here, and then click on start. Now in this way, there's a high chances of the appearing the same people with you have interacted with the old ID. Right now, the third thing is that this is only for iPhone user. There are apps like MiniChat that utilizes the OmeTV network but display user Facebook name before connecting. This feature is currently not available for Android, but I'm sure in the future update they could. So here I didn't give you some of the super secret where you can just magically find the names. Oh, no, this can't be possible, right? But yeah, here some of the mentioned some of the methods which can be very useful. Make sure to like this video, subscribe if you found, and if you guess someone real name. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.